Velo, USD exchanges close $0, or so they certainly thought. Velo in every way that really matters has a medium-term obstruction at $0, a fundamentally large manner. Velo's AMA basically shows a kind of descending pattern, extremely in spite of mainstream thinking. Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, or so they explicitly thought. The 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will in every practical sense walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these often truly clarified some things. What for the most part is extremely transient cost expectation for Velo. Will be Velo a very wise interest in an especially enormous manner. Velo support and opposition levels and so forth, which for the most part is very critical. Yet, prior to jumping certainly profound into the Velo specialized examination, explicitly let us most certainly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in an every practical sense, huge way. Market examination over the by and large last 24 hours. There truly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the extremely whole digital money market to $1,143,010,892,478 in an unpretentious manner. The very complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $31,276,248,695 in a really significant manner. Bitcoin shares 45.93% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they fundamentally thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76%. Which generally is genuinely critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a cost increment of 1.6% coming to $1,891.67 during the past 24 hours. So Velo especially has a medium-term obstruction at $0 in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $306.77. Following a value change of 0.6% inside a similar time period, which for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, for the most part is up by 1.98, and at present exchanging at 52 cents in an extremely large manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which sort of is very huge. These occasions for the most part show that the market in a real sense is going in a descending heading for certainly present moment, which especially is very critical. Right now, a very broad, most certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a quite large manner. Velo backing and opposition backing and obstruction in every way that really matters are significant specialized markers used to especially recognize essentially key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, or so they in a real sense thought. Support really is a level at which purchasers basically become most certainly more especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which sort of is very critical. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which merchants in a real sense become move genuinely dynamic and sort of prevent the coin's cost from moving certainly higher in an exceptionally significant manner. Following in a real sense are the help and obstruction levels of Velo execution as per value examination market record. Velo fundamentally is exchanging at $0 an exchanging volume of $1,543,743, showing how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will walk you through Velo cost investigation for now or for sort of the following week, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly basically clarified some pressing issues. What essentially is transient cost expectation for Velo. Certainly is Velo an excellent interest in an unobtrusive manner. However, Velo by and large has a value decline of 5.82% in the fundamentally last 24 hours. Velo cost changes 11.71% over the course of the week with a kind of all-out market capitalization of $5,186,353 USD. Kind of additional appearance how the 2nd of June 2023. In this video we will generally walk you through Velo cost examination for now or for the most part 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these habitually essentially got clarification on some pressing issues. What essentially is transient cost expectation for Velo. Fundamentally is Velo a genuinely wise interest in a kind of significant manner. Velo value examination. Velo cost investigation for the 2nd of June 2023 inside a very day-to-day time span for the most part made sense of underneath, showing how similarly opposition certainly is a level at which vendors by and large become move truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, or so they generally thought. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including in every practical sense, straightforward moving certainly normal and dramatic moving commonly normal to examine the future development of the Velo in a very large manner. As a matter of fact, the truly relative strength file demonstrates that the Velo coin for the most part is in oversold stage, as RSI explicitly is at 30, which especially shows that Velo's AMA basically shows in every practical sense descending pattern, which basically is very critical. A VELO, USD moving kind of normal union and uniqueness marker basically is showing an especially present moment fundamentally sell most certainly signal as the MACD line explicitly is moving beneath commonly signal line which in a real sense implies sort of bears sort of are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting what basically brought about Bitcoin. S value ascending to $27,095.20 level after a vertical development of 0.76% in an essentially large manner. While Velo's Williams %R pointer explicitly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and in every practical sense, momentary pattern truly inversion explicitly is conceivable, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days in an unobtrusive manner. Bulls can move the market in vertical bearing in an unobtrusive manner. Velo sort of is moving in kind of descending course as really bears effectively for the most part take the coin underneath quick help level of $0, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which certainly is very critical. Presently Velo ought to especially track down a help at $0. Probably the merchants could then focus on the critical help level set at $0, exhibiting how while Velo's Williams %R pointer truly is at 95.932 for the 14-day time span demonstrating an oversold condition and in every way that really matters. Transient pattern decently inversion in every way that really matters is conceivable, showing how Velo fall 11.71% in 7 days, which all things considered is very huge, and Velo truly is presently encountering a huge negative pattern. This doesn't be guaranteed to by and large suggest that the digital money explicitly is in a dubious circumstance that can't be redressed. Fundamentally further appearance how Velo value examination Velo cost investigation for the 2nd of June 2023 inside an especially day-to-day time span especially made sense of underneath, showing how similarly opposition sort of is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving basically higher in an especially significant manner, regardless of whether the value sort of is falling consistently. It in a real sense is guessed that the two help levels will act as major areas of strength for commonly and cause the pattern line to bounce back once more into the especially sure zone, showing how we utilize pretty relative strength index, moving especially normal union and uniqueness, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including genuinely straightforward moving pretty normal and outstanding moving in every practical sense, normal to examine the future development of the Velo in a fundamentally large manner for the most part.